Hey folks, Mac T here, and on MeWe, that's right, this is the only place you're going to find me is on MeWe. But anyway, we got a steering wheel control button for cruise control and the menu on the left side, and I'm having a hard time getting anything to work. It only goes down, it never goes up, and OK does not work. So we'll first go through and get that thing replaced because it's giving me a hard time. I can't even reset anything. So, we're going to go ahead and replace it in this 2011 Ford Edge I kindly call Blueberry. But remember, join MeWe. That's right. Check out the MeWe. And come see me over there because you're not going to find me on, that other place. I have ditched it and we are on MeWe. And I can't say enough about how that works. So, anyway, it is a fantastic changeover and I'm no longer under the thumbs of the oppressors. This here is the part number. As you can see, it is a 4T or B4T. I can't even talk today. It is a BT4Z 9C888BB, and it is a switch interrupter, and it's a left side switch on the steering wheel. We'll go ahead and show you how to access that, and we're going to go ahead, and this is of course a Motorcraft part. Generally speaking, that's probably the best thing to do. Let's go ahead and get this module replaced because it's not working. As you can see, I have no power on. I got the door open and there's nothing on because I disconnected the negative cable, and I don't want the airbag going off. If it does, I don't know. You could probably remove it without doing that, but let's play it safe, and I recommend, yes, you take off the negative. Anyway, there's a spring, and we have to pull this out, and through this hole right here we have to insert a long screwdriver, and then on this side we have to insert a long screwdriver. So let's go ahead and put that screwdriver in there. This spring, it takes two hands, but what you do is you slide it in there. Once you feel that spring, alright, monkey see, monkey do. I have the spring pushed, and then you just go ahead and you pull this forward while you're pushing it. So it takes two hands, and I only have one. So we're going to go ahead and push it. There we go. I got that side. And now we'll go ahead and we'll push this side. There we go. Got it popped out so that it is sitting just like so. We have our clips right there. Yay! It's really simple. And then you just pop these out here, and you can't mess them up. One's black, one's white, does all that good stuff. So we just gotta pop these out of here, just squeeze them and pull on the sides, and then set the airbag off over there. That's all you gotta do. And now we can start getting to this switch. This is the one that's broke. That don't work, and it only goes down. I can't go up, and it'll go sideways and back and forth, but that don't work and that don't work. Cruise and everything does work. It's just you can't like reset anything. The trip meter you can't toggle through and reset the trips, the oil, anything. You just can't do it. It just doesn't work. The OK just does not function anymore. And so we're going to go ahead and remove these, and there's some bolts that we have to get and undo. And they are behind right here. One here, and then one down here at the bottom that we have to undo back in the steering wheel. So let's go ahead and get this one undone. This one and this one, you got to turn the steering wheel. So we'll have to go ahead and get that done and see what size we have to have. Alright, in case you wondered, it's a T20, and you got 3 screws that you're going to be removing. One here, one here, and one down here. So, yep, got them all out. Now I can pull this out and replace this switch. Give this a somewhat of a gentle tug to get it out. I just want this side. That's all I really want. And then I want to disconnect this here module. So I'll disconnect this somehow. Once I figure it out, I'll show you. And there's just a little tab right there. I think just pull up on that and you slide this out of here. Is what I'm thinking. There's a little tab right there. I'm trying to push on it to get it out. It's going to take more than one hand. So let me get this thing out of here. And yes, that little plastic tab right there, you have to push that in towards the wires to release the plug from the module. Now we just got to tap out these little tabs here holding out this module right there. There's about, I don't know, 3 or 4 of them holding it in. Yeah, there's 4 of them right there. So we'll just pop one, and I imagine once I get one started, the rest will come pretty easy. So let's pop this module out and replace it with a new one. I'm not going to lie to y'all, getting this thing out of here was a little bit of a struggle, but hopefully it goes back together easier. Yeah, just have to work all these 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs to get this thing unhooked. And those are pretty healthy tabs there, and they're in there pretty good. So, yep, flat blade screwdriver, small one, worked it out. Now we can get rid of this thing and replace it with a new one. And here's the new one. So we just take it and position it and get it to snap in. There we go. Looks like we got it to snap in. Yep, everything looks good. So now we just got to put it all back together again. Now we got this plugged in, so now we can go ahead and plug the airbags in and then get the battery connected, and we'll test it to see if this actually works. So it's all plugged in and snapped into place. So let's get it finished up. Alright, I got the screw here, and a screw down here in. So everything's nice and tight. All back in. Now we got to put the airbag back in. Plug that in. Same way that I took it out. So since we know how we did that, we'll put the steering wheel straight again, and we'll plug this airbag back in right here into the tabs, and we'll hook the battery up, and we'll give this button here a test. Got tabs back in, and these little diamond or cone shaped settings sit right in here. And by the way, there's the springs right there. So when I was using a screwdriver through the hole here, you can see where the screwdriver goes, and then you just got to hit that spring, and you got to play with it, because it's not a flat spring, it's just a round spring, and you got to play with it. You got to feel that give, then you know you can pop it out, because it has to release that cone, and by doing that you release the cone, then you can pop it out. So yeah, a little bit of a test run there. If you don't know what you're doing, there's the visual of it being popped out. Now let's see if I got it. And you can tell if you don't have the battery hooked up, because when you slam it in, you don't get a horn. Now let's go ahead and hook the battery up and see if this button does work, because the other one wasn't. Now anyway, we got the display mode, so let's see if this actually works. I'm going to go down to the trip, hits up, paused, and we got the trip. So I'm going to hit the OK, and got trip 1. Let's reset our fuel economy. That's working. Do we got up? No, I still don't have up. There we go. Guess it just needed to catch up to things. So now I got up, got down, I got over. Let's go to trip, over, up. Everything's working. I just changed the oil. Okay, let's see. English. I want to do my display. Let's see, go to settings. Vehicle. Oil life reset. We're going to go ahead and go to that. 100%. Just change the oil. So, yeah, looks like I got everything that I need to be working here. And it's all working perfectly. The module's been replaced. The OK button works, ups and downs. So yeah, I'm perfectly happy now. So that's how you go ahead and replace these modules here, and or a switch is what they call it. But either way, we got it fixed, and now we can carry on smartly. Well, folks, that's it. Remember, check me out on the MeWe. MACTFORDEDGE on MeWe and MACTGarage on MeWe. But that's how you place the switch assembly on your steering wheel on the left side, and I'm pretty sure the right side's the same thing, just on the right side. So anyway, that's it, folks. That's all I got for you. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like I said, I can't stress that enough. And also, Mercy Girl always has a couple of one-liners. My feet hit the floor today, I'm having a great day, and a band of one's gonna sing to you.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.